how to add a Stripe subscription portal to your Go Highlevel account. In today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to go over how to add a portal to your SaaS Go Highlevel account so users can either upgrade, downgrade, cancel, pause, or whatever they want to do. All right, I'm just going to get into it quick. I'm going to share my screen. Now, this is going to seem probably extremely straightforward, but I just came across it and I was like, hey, listen, people got to know because this is pretty convenient. So if you go into search and you just type in portal, there's a customer portal section in Stripe here. And so you're going to be able to come into the settings and obviously update and change like how things look and whatnot. But for right now, what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be obviously grabbing this link here. If you want to, there's other things that you can come in here and allow. So other things that I wanted people to update were email address, billing address, phone, and tax if they wanted to. I want them to be able to update their payment method, and you can update, the accepted payment methods, subscriptions so that they can cancel. They can cancel at the end of the billing period, not immediately, just so you're not prorating things to them. I wanted a cancellation reason, and then you can edit the reasons to be, whatever you want here. They can pause. I thought that would be, not a bad idea. They can switch plans. It doesn't make sense to update quantities. And then you can obviously add in, the different tiers, right? So if they wanted to, then upgrade to like, yearly, or they were at, Automation Pro, they want to go down to business, then they could do that. Credit customers for the time remaining of the billing cycle. I believe bill customers when they switch to a new pricing plan or change quantities. So I just prorated that, not if they cancel, right? I hope that makes sense. Business information. This is where you're going to add in your terms of service privacy policy, a redirect link. And if you want to change title up here, Nurture Profit Partners with Stripe for simplifies billing, then you could change that as well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy this link here. You're going to go to your Go Highlevel account, go to settings, and you're going to go to the custom menu link, and you're going to create. Give me a sec here. Okay, perfect. So you're going to come in here, you're going to create a new one. I already have one, which is called Manage Subscription. And you're going to take that and you're going to put that link in here. It's going to open up a new tab. Okay. And so when you're signed in, let's just go to a test account that I made here, my test account here. On the left-hand side, you're going to have your Manage Subscription here. You're going to click to go manage your subscription. You're going to put in the email you signed up with, which is obviously my email. And then you're going to get a code in your email. So this is obviously me doing this as the client, and I'm going to grab this code, copy. All right, and here's my portal. So now I can update the plan, cancel the plan. I already have two, so I was just doing some testing. So I have two different credit cards in here. I could add more if I wanted to. I can update my billing. I have my invoice history, so I can come into these and I can actually, I believe, go print them off if I wanted to. And so this is really cool because now I don't have to answer the support anymore. I don't have to like go in and make sure they can cancel before the trial ends. Nothing. You can make a video on how to do this where they can come in and cancel themselves. And you're not doing so many refunds or chargebacks or whatever it might be. For example, this one, which one was it today? So this one here, I can cancel this plan from here. I'm going to cancel, and it asks you if you want to pause it, right? I can pause it and automatically resume in whatever month, or I can unclick it, whatever. And then I can hit, so I'm going to just cancel this because I don't need it. I'm going to hit cancel. And it's going to ask me, why. Well, it's too expensive, but I'm actually going to just put testing because I don't want to screw up my data here. And there we go. So I can renew it. It's going to stay here. As obviously says it's canceled, so we know. But again, right, it's that easy. I'm in my account here. I can come down to manage subscription. I click it. It takes me to this portal. I then receive a code, and then it opens up into the portal where I can edit my information. So again, it's that simple. I find, that this is like a really good way for me, number one, to prevent refunds and chargebacks. And then, if you have the scalability of like lots of people coming in, then there's no reason to go and get like, printing off people invoices or updating their billing information or adding new cards or whatever it might be, right? People want to go pause if they want to upgrade, if they want to go to yearly, whatever it might be. You don't have to, answer those support questions, or at least you can direct them to that place. So anyways, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any more video ideas, hit me up in the comments down below, and I hope you have a good day. Cheers.